My name is Abhay and in this video I will show you how to insert degree symbol in Word on Mac Air or Mac Pro. Let's get started. There are three methods. In the first method, go up to the insert option, then click on the equation, then type backslash and type degree. Press spacebar on your keyboard to insert the degree sign. There is one more option. You can click here on the degree symbol or degree Fahrenheit or degree centigrade if you want to insert them. Next method is also easy. Go up to insert option. This time click on advanced symbols, and under the advanced symbols here you will see the degree symbol. Click on it and the symbol will be highlighted. Then click on insert to insert the symbol. Last method is a shortcut. On your Mac keyboard, press Option, Shift and 8 to insert the degree symbol. If this video solves your problem, don't forget to subscribe and comment below to let me know. And check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Microsoft Word. See you again in the next video.